Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. I have this 10-inch round that I want to try to do a type of StrainerPour on. I found this plastic canvas. It is for Needlepoint at Michael's in the clearance aisle for 29 cents. So I thought, wow, maybe I can use this as a StrainerPour some type. So I have the bottle cap here in the center, and I'm just going to let the plastic canvas rest on that and then pour the paint around that and let it drain through and see what we get. And I'm going to be using a base of Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. And I had this Liquitex Cad Medium Yellow, but I decided not to use it. And then I have the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black. This is Liquitex Brilliant Purple. This is DecoArt Extreme Sheen 24 Karat Gold. And this is Artist Loft Brilliant Magenta. So we'll get started first with the base coat, and I have a little dot in the center where I try and keep open for my bottle cap so I know exactly where to place it. I'm going to try to center it as much as possible. And I'm just using my hand to smooth the white out, and then I'm going to tilt it to get a smoother surface. And I didn't use a whole lot of the base coat, just enough to let the paint kind of glide easy over the surface of the canvas. And then going to heat it up with my heat gun, and it's acting crazy. It's like shooting bright fire out of it. That's not normal. Okay, don't know what's up with that. I'm going to put the cap in, and still holding this a little off center. I can see that now, but you couldn't see it when I was pouring. Okay, and we're going to start with black, and then another little bit of white, and then the violet, the magenta, and it's draining through. I can see the design, but I can't see exactly what it looks like, so I want to lift up the plastic canvas, but I don't want to mess it up, so I'll just have to be patient. I think another round here. And it's really starting to flow out from underneath. I was trying to decide if I wanted to go again or not. And I think one more. Make sure I get enough on it to cover the canvas. And that's so cool. Even the cap had a really cool design on it. Okay, so now my torch is acting crazy, so I'm going to have to use my actual heat gun to heat the paint up and pop the bubbles. And I'm going to put just a tad bit of white at the very edge of the design so it'll help it flow over the edge of the canvas. I kind of want to pour off that outer ring of black, just like that. Yeah. And touch up the sides. And I like this. This is really neat. I'm going to have to try this again with some other colors. So if you have enjoyed this little experiment with needlepoint and acrylic paint, please click like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe now and ring that bell, and you will get notified when I upload future videos. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. I love your feedback. Everything that I used will be in the description box below. And I really like the design on this. It's really cool. So I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade.